Hello and good afternoon, Facebook. This is your host, Tommy Cam, coming to you live from Forest Ridge Apartments. Today, I just wanted to pop on and tell you guys a little bit of updates that I've been going through in my life. First update, we have not had any anger outbursts through the last couple of days. That's very good news. And I also been a little more active. For like a positive note, I've been like a little bit more active. So just to let you guys know, if you guys are just gonna join on, just say hi, please do, because we are all welcome on this lovely channel. So just to let you guys know, today has been a really just interesting day. Today has been a really interesting So just to let you guys know what's coming up in my latest videos, we are planning to make like a little circuit video about the different journey across the network. If you guys are wondering about what we are planning to talk about later tonight, we are planning to talk about the Arlington National Cemetery around 6 o'clock. I want to tell you guys about my journey there, how I liked it, what did I thought of like the people, what did I thought of like the situation there, like during COVID. And I'm also going to give you guys some COVID news. Luckily or enough, our buddy Mr. Josh Holcomb is not contagious with the coronavirus. He has been in there for about, he's been there for a while and he has not got anything for it. And also, to let you guys know, Mace, like a lot of different people has been like obviously saying that Tommy, you should make these kind of videos like live on Facebook. And I'm like, Tommy, why don't you make those kind of videos? Because you get a lot more environment, like like the first thing we're going to talk about is Bushman County, like their radio reference page, okay? So Echoes Branch, Fire and EMS Dispatch, Ken Mountain, Sheriff, Sanitation, Public Service Authority. That's telling us that they have like a different variety of like radio stuff. And then after we go over to Wise County. Wise County is a county that I would like to talk about for a minute because I listen to this station, these frequencies on a broadcastified feed, and I thought they were like really interesting. Now what we are going to do, we are going to switch things over to like some COVID news. So the current COVID conditions, the Delta variant, which is right now, mass mandates by states as COVID-19 cases spark, COVID-19 vaccination in kids, what's the parents and 12 and 15-year-olds need to know? And this is about what you need to know. Visit your state's vaccination database to learn more about the diverse has updated the COVID-19 vaccination. Now, clicking on getting tested, they have like a tested locator on like the Indiana Registry website for the Indiana Department of Health, which Walt Disney World reaches an agreement for COVID-19 vaccination for most unsuited employees. And also, there is like a COVID-19 update.
Jobless workers are facing uncertainty as they wait for Congress to decide on whether they'll extend a boost to unemployment benefits. The current coronavirus relief program expires at the end of July. But Republicans in the Senate are divided over how much financial aid they're willing to provide. All right, let's get more from Washington, D.C., and for that I'm joined by DW's Oliver Salet. Hello to you, Oliver. So, what exactly...
So that was like a little COVID-19 update I like to do on my channel. If you guys have not looked up my channel, it's called the Radio Reference World Radio Scanners Atomic Cam. I'll be putting it in the chat right now. So there's like the little thing to show you guys. About my radio scanner and what you guys would like to know about it, please put it in the comments below. And And the thing that's second on the agenda, we are going to be talking about the St. Louis City. Then after that they have some National Guard frequencies. And then after that they have like Scott County. With Scott County, we see right here has a fire dispatch. They have an EMS dispatch. They have a life-saving crew. And there is like a lot of stuff that we can talk about, but there is like some stuff we need to keep private on here. And I just hate that. Because Cook Medical doesn't like for you to talk about their stuff. Well, that's a different story, and I'm planning to put that on my Facebook page. You guys can find that out on Facebook Live on Wednesdays nights with Tommy Cunningham. And then after that with COVID-19 in the world, COVID-19 update from the Bloomington, Indiana community update. This is what the office So that was like a little update from the Monroe County Mayor, Mr. John Hamilton. So also to let you guys know, there is like a multiple, different personalities on that. We can look at like the different amount of people that uses like radio frequencies. We can look at the different amount of ways we can cope, a different amount of ways we can adjust to the COVID-19, and I will be making an update on my bowling tonight. After bowling, I will schedule a interview with you guys after bowling tonight. So I hope you guys watch it. So this is your host, Tommy Cunningham, YouTube advisor of RioScanners.com. please look me up, and thank you very much.